Hey everyone! Today we're diving into an essential tool for keeping your systems running smoothly, the server and database monitoring AI agent in Delaverse. If you're a sysadmin, DevOps pro, or just managing a small business setup, this AI agent is your new best friend for catching issues before they cause chaos. Imagine having real-time eyes on your servers and databases, tracking CPU, memory, disk space, and even database connections. Then getting smart, actionable reports straight to your Telegram. This AI agent helps prevent downtime, optimizes your resources, and keeps your team in the loop without constant manual checks. It's all about peace of mind and efficiency in the Delaverse playground. Getting started is a breeze. Log into your Delaverse account and head to the playground. From there, you'll build this AI agent step by step. Start by deploying a simple monitoring script on your server. Then drag and drop nodes onto the canvas to connect everything. No heavy coding required. Delaverse makes it visual and intuitive. Let's break down the key pieces. First, deploy the monitoring script. It's like setting up a little watchdog on your server. Grab it from GitHub, tweak a few settings like your API key and database credentials, and run it. Now your server is sharing its vitals via a simple API. Next, add the API node in Delaverse. This is your bridge. Point it to your server's endpoint, and it opens the door to all that juicy data. Then bring in the request node to pull in those metrics on demand, like checking the pulse of your system. The star of the show is the AI assistant node for server analytics. Feed it the data, and it crunches numbers into easy-to-read reports, system status, resource breakdowns, database health, and even Nginx performance. It uses emojis to flag things as healthy, brown, warning, or critical, red, super visual. Hook up the Telegram node to zap those reports right to your chat. Set up a bot once, and you're golden. Get alerts in a group for the whole team. Finally, the scheduler node ties it all together, automating checks every few minutes or hours. Set your interval, pick your time zone, and let it run on autopilot. This AI agent shines in tracking what's really going on under the hood. You'll see metrics like CPU usage, memory levels, active database queries, queue statuses, and error rates. The AI-generated reports highlight trends, like load averages or long-running queries, so you can spot patterns and make smart decisions. It's invaluable for understanding if your setup is humming along or heading for trouble. Clear dashboards without the overwhelm. Want to level up? Customize alert thresholds in the AI prompts to fit your needs, like warning at 80% resource use. Scale it for multiple servers by duplicating the nodes, or dive into Celery task monitoring for deeper queue insights. For pros, integrate it with your CI/CD pipeline via APIs. Head to your AI agent settings and experiment. Pro tip: always prioritize those critical Celery errors. The AI flags them first for quick fixes. With this server and database monitoring AI agent, you're empowered to maintain rock-solid infrastructure, cut down on surprises, and focus on what matters: growing your projects. Jump into Delaverse today. Build this setup and watch your systems thrive. Ready to monitor like a boss? Let's go!